How to add friends on Discord. So if you're new to Discord and you want to invite your friends to Discord, or you want to add your friends to Discord manually, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add friends on Discord, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Just open the Discord application. And once opened the Discord application, go ahead and click on the U button at the bottom right. Now, locate your friends on your profile page and then click on it. If you have any friends here, if you see the list of friends, otherwise you see once it's waiting on friends, you don't have to do, then just go ahead and click on add friends at top right or click on add friends on the page. Once you click on add friends, then you'll be prompted to search your friends by username or find friends. You can just go ahead and click on find friends using your phone contact. So if you know your friend's username on Discord, just click on add by username. Then go ahead, type in the friend username and then click on send friend request. However, if you do not know your friend's username on Discord, just hit the button and click on find friends. And here you'll be prompted to synchronize your contact. Allow contact to add me. Tap allow where you see find your friends. Once you hit the allow button, the instruction that says allow Discord to access your contact. Click on allow. Then go ahead and type in your phone number. Then confirm you are not a robot. Once you confirm you are not a robot, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number by entering the 6-digit code sent to your phone. So if you have the 6-digit code sent to your phone from Discord, just go ahead, grab the code, and then confirm it on the Discord page. And once you confirm it, Discord will be able to synchronize your contact and be able to find your friends using your phone number. So that is basically how to add friends on Discord as a new member or a 16 member. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.